Hey, I'm Tom. I'm new to this gym.
Hi Tom, I'm Emma. I've been coming here for a while. Need any tips? Hi, I'm Laura. I'm here to learn French.
Bonjour, Laura. I'm Michael. I'm also here to learn French.
Hi, I'm Anna. I love mystery novels.
Hi, Anna. I'm Chris. Mystery is my favorite genre too. Hello, I'm Ben. I'm volunteering for the first time.
Hi Ben, I'm Lucy. Welcome aboard. It's a great cause.
Hi, I'm Jack. Do you come here often?
Hey Jack, I'm Maria. Yeah, it's my favorite spot to grab a coffee. Hi everyone, I'm Katie. I'm new to this group and excited to connect.
Welcome, Katie. I'm Steve. It's a great group for sharing ideas.
Hi, I'm Sarah. This is my dog, Max.
Hi Sarah, I'm Tom. My dog's name is Bella. They seem to be getting along.
Hi, I'm Laura. I'm here to learn how to make pasta.
Hi Laura, I'm Sam. I've always wanted to learn that too. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm here for the study group.
Hey Alex, I'm Tina. We're just getting started. Come join us.
Hi, I'm Jake. Are you a fan of the home team?
Hey Jake, I'm Ben. Absolutely. I never miss a game.